Layering plants, a simple guide to a unique gardening technique. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting gardening concept, layering plants. This technique is not only fascinating for garden enthusiasts but also a great way to expand your English vocabulary and understanding of phrases. So, let's dig in and learn together. Layering plants refers to a method of plant propagation. It's a way of encouraging a plant to develop new roots while it's still attached to the parent plant. Unlike cutting or seeding, layering allows the new plant to benefit from the nutrients and water from the parent plant until it can survive on its own. This term is a great example of how English often uses familiar words, like layering, in specialized ways. In this section, we'll break down the steps of layering plants. The process typically involves bending a branch towards the ground, making a small cut or nick in it, and then covering this part with soil while it's still attached to the main plant. Over time, this buried section will develop its own roots. Once these roots are strong enough, the new plant can be separated from the parent. This process metaphorically layers the plant into the soil, giving the technique its name. There are different types of layering, such as air layering, simple layering, and tip layering. Each type uses a slightly different method but with the same goal, to create a new, independent plant. Knowing these terms can help you understand various gardening conversations and texts. Layering is not just a gardening technique. It's a concept that can be applied in various contexts. For example, in cooking, layering flavors is a method to enhance a dish. In fashion, layering clothes is a style technique. Understanding the broader use of layering can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension skills. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of layering plants and helped you understand how English phrases can have specific meanings in different contexts. Happy gardening and language learning! Looking forward to seeing you in our next video.